Hey, hi friends. Very good evening. How are you guys? Can you please confirm if I'm audible and visible? Hey friends. Very good evening. Please confirm if I'm audible and visible. Hello. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Awesome. So good evening guys. I welcome you all to today's session. As you know, today is a very interesting discussion that we're going to be having, and it is one of the most frequently asked topic that we often get. Okay, so are you guys ready for it? So if you are someone who is preparing for GATE 2026 CSE, okay, I'm going to be talking about the most important topics, the weightage of the subjects, and I'm going to share a complete strategy with you guys, which I believe will be very helpful to you to achieve your dream college and your dream career. Okay, now even before I start, let me tell you why I am even discussing this, like why you should even listen to me. Okay, so friends, my name is Aditya Jain and I have secured All India rank 60 in GATE Computer Science 2019. Okay, that was my very first attempt and I gave GATE exam when I was in the 4th year. Okay, so that was a great experience because I understood that how difficult it can be when you are a student. Okay, I didn't took a drop to appear for GATE, so it was quite difficult for me, right? But what I understood is that it is very much doable. It is difficult, but it can be done. Okay, all you need is a proper strategy, proper guidance, so that you can get to your dream college. Okay, and for exact the same reason, I'm here before you so that I can help you share this strategy. Okay, I will help you with this strategy so that you can also aim for a great rank. So first of all, tell me, are you guys super duper ready? Can you all tell me on the chat? Can I have a quick yes or no? I don't want you to miss any single point. Okay, awesome, great. So let's start. Okay, so first we'll start with subject wise weightage for GATE. Okay, we'll start with subject wise weightage. Okay, so there are 65 questions in GATE exam consisting of 1 mark and 2 marks, totaling 100 marks, that are majorly divided into 3 parts. Okay, so this is the usual pattern. No matter which GATE exam you observe, no matter which subject or which domain you observe, you will find the exact same division. Okay, you will find the exact same division. So there are 65 questions. Okay, there are 1 mark questions, there are 2 mark questions. Okay, totaling of 100 marks that are majorly divided into 3 parts. Okay, 65 questions divided into 3 parts. The first part is your engineering mathematics, the second part is general aptitude, and the third part is your technical part. Okay, now the only constant thing among these is your general aptitude. Do you also observe that specifically for general aptitude I have not written any range? Can you all see that? Can you all observe that? Only for general aptitude I have not written any range. I have written exact number 15 marks, 15. Okay, great. So general aptitude 15 marks is the fixed thing. Okay, your engineering mathematics and your technical part varies. Both of these varies. Okay, now the technical part, I will talk about this in detail. Okay, because technical part is the remaining syllabus. Okay, so if you are from electrical, or if you are from mechanical, or if you are from CS, or if you are from anything DA, okay, this will keep changing, but the constant part will be maths and aptitude. And as you can see, it almost carries around 30% of the weightage. It almost carries around 30% of the weightage. Okay, great. Now let's talk about this. Okay, now let's talk about this. So one thing to note here is that many students who come to me are like, sir, aptitude, can I leave? Okay, is it fine if I leave aptitude, if I ignore aptitude? So you tell me, is it fine if you ignore aptitude? What do you think? After what I have told you right now, is it fine to leave aptitude for the last moment, or to completely leave that subject? Is it fine? Not at all. It is completely not possible. It is completely not possible. Okay, so please keep this in mind, that general aptitude is the only fixed thing, and it carries 15% of the marks for sure. Now, this is what everyone knows, but let me tell you something more important. So general aptitude is not 15 marks. According to me, it's 50 marks. Again, I will repeat. General aptitude is not 15 marks. It's 50 marks according to me. Now you will be, sir, are you crazy? What are you saying, right? Here you are saying 15 marks, but you are telling 50 marks. Okay, hold on, I will tell you. So my dear friends, even though general aptitude is 15 marks, in your technical part and maths, again aptitude plays a very, very important role. Okay, so that makes it around 50 marks weightage. Again, 50 marks tentatively. Psychologically, I am telling you that half of the GATE paper is on aptitude in some form or fashion. No one will tell you this, but this is the truth. Okay, in fact, can you type the full form of GATE exam? Who knows the full form of GATE exam? Quickly type it. Please do it. What is the full form of GATE exam? This GATE exam. Graduate aptitude test for engineering. Okay. Okay. Graduate aptitude. Okay. Understood aptitude? In the name of the exam itself, there is general aptitude. Hence proof, in the name of the exam itself, there is aptitude or general aptitude. Okay, proved. So the point is that all the subjects that you will be studying, be it computer networks, be it machine learning, be it your algorithms, be it your data structures, be it your operating system, will have some element of aptitude in it. What I mean by that is, it will not be only concept based, but it will always be logic based as well. Most of the questions that you will see will not be a single topic based, but it will be blended with algorithms. And it might happen that in computer networks or computer architecture, you might not see aptitude based questions, but in algorithms, data structures, lots of questions will have concept 50% and aptitude requirement 50%. So here I come to my very first point. This is why I was telling you this entire story. My first important point is start with aptitude first. Can you all type yes on the chat? The right strategy according to me is to start with aptitude. Rather than leaving it for the end, start with aptitude. Whenever you are preparing for GATE exam, start with aptitude. Okay? To keep. Why? Because it will also help you for the technical part and for maths indirectly. Okay? For technical as well as maths part, it will indirectly be very helpful to you. Okay? Perfect. Second important point, coming to engineering mathematics. Now, engineering mathematics, again, I know I did not tell you that it is important, okay? Because even though it is 10 to 15 marks, again, maths is very important part of algorithms, data structures, C programming. Mathematical background is very important. And if you are someone who is from DA paper, Data, Science and Artificial Intelligence. Any guess this year how many marks came from maths? Any guess? Not just engineering mathematics, completely, like probability and statistics and remaining. There are different types of maths. Any guess how much marks maths came for? It came for around 43 marks. 43 marks out of 100, that means around 43%. 40 to 43% it came. Are you understanding now? Around 40 to 43% of the paper came from maths alone in DA paper. Okay? In DA paper. Because now, to be very honest with you, because I have also done masters in data science. Okay, I have also worked as a data scientist in the industry. So let me tell you that your artificial intelligence, machine learning, okay, these concepts are also very, very maths based. They require strong maths logic. So first thing I want to tell you is, although we will be talking about DA separately, but let me clarify. Okay, we will create a separate video on DA, but let me tell you that in DA, maths plays the most important role. Okay, when I will create a detailed video on DA, this is completely for CS. In DA, I will tell you that in depth. Okay, so two things to note: start with general aptitude, and you have to prioritize maths when you are thinking of giving GATE exam. Are we all on the same page? Are we all on the same page? Okay, perfect. Awesome. Now, talking about technical part, that I'll be talking about in detail as we proceed. Okay, so start with general aptitude and maths, and you can do technical part along with it. So I don't mean to say that complete your algorithm first. No, I don't mean to say that. You need to start with algorithm, but in parallel, you can do different subjects. So you should have a habit. Like if I talk about me, I used to have a habit that around 1 to 2 years I will give to general aptitude and maths on daily basis, and remaining time I will give to other subject, because maths and aptitude were kind of my favorite, and I scored 100% marks in GATE exam. I scored 77.33 marks out of 100 to get All India rank 60. And my score was 100% in these two subjects. In aptitude and in maths, I scored 100% marks. Like whatever I attempted, I got full marks. Okay. In the entire paper, I got negative marking of minus 0.66. Only one question wrong in the entire paper, which was carrying negative mark. Okay. So accuracy is very important in GATE exam. Okay. Now let's focus on the technical part. Okay. Let's proceed. So this is something which you really need to focus on. Okay. So this is last 5 years subject wise weightage. Okay. In front of you it is. I will be a bit side. You can take the screenshot. Okay. I will move to the side. You can take the screenshot. Have you taken the screenshot? Please take it. We have brought this only for you. Okay. Yeah. So now what we have done is year wise, including this year, including 2025, the recent paper, we have brought the subject wise weightage for you. Okay. Personally suggesting, if you are aiming for top 100, my aim was always to get under top 100 rank. So if you are aiming for top 100 rank, you need to treat every subject as important. Okay, every subject is equally important to you. Fine. Every subject is equally important to you. Okay. So what subjects we have? We have programming and data structure, algorithms, operating systems, DBMS, computer networks, COA, discrete mathematics, theory of computation, compiler design, digital logic, engineering mathematics, and general aptitude. So I have already told you that engineering mathematics and general aptitude is a separate game, and all this part comes under your technical part. All this part comes under the technical part. Okay. All this comes under the technical part. Okay. So 2025 set 1, 2025 set 2, 2024, 23, 22, 21. So in 2025 we have two sets, and we have given you analysis for both the sets separately. Please focus programming and data structures. Very consistent. If you ignore 2021, if you keep aside 2021, it has been very, very consistent. Okay. 10 marks 2025 set 1, 10 marks 2025 set 2. No unfair, no bhedbhav. Okay, no politics, very fair. Both paper 10 marks. Okay. 2024, 2023, 11, 11, 2022, 9. Only in 2021 it came for 6 marks. But I'll tell you one very good observation in that as well. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Did you notice this? Because I'll tell you a very important observation here. Quickly note this. Yes, no? Okay. I will tell you very good insights here that I can see. As I see, number speaks louder than words. So I can see very beautiful insights here, which I will tell you. Okay. Coming to my favorite subject, because I teach algorithms, right? I teach algorithms, so it is my favorite subject, obviously, right? No, every subject is interesting, but my favorite is algorithms. Okay, like that. Okay, so talking about algorithms, 2025 set 1 8, set 2 10, 24 9, 23 6, 22 7, and 21 11. Okay, so it is quite up and down, no doubt. It is quite up and down. Okay, but one thing to notice, pay very close attention. What is the sum of marks in 2025 set 1? Quickly write it. How many marks your DSA came for in 2025 set 1? DSA means data structures and algorithms combined. What do you think? By the way, I am including C programming in this. Okay, C programming and data structure I am considering as one subject. Okay, 18 marks. Here 20 marks. Okay, so let me take a pen so that I can tell you better. Okay, here 18 marks. Here 20 marks. Here 20 marks. Here 17 marks. Here 16 marks, and here 17 marks. Now does it look very insightful? Now do you see some pattern? So if I combine programming plus DSA, I can clearly see that it is ranging from 16 to 20 marks for sure, minimum to maximum. Okay, in fact 16 is a separate case, otherwise 7 to 20. Okay, now it is very constant. Now it is very much constant, correct? Now it is very much constant. So please understand that this carries around 20% of your GATE syllabus, programming, data structures and algorithms. And it is very interesting if you have basics clear, because there is very less theory in this. Very less theory in this. Okay, so if you are someone who is good with logic, 20 marks is very easy for you. Okay, then talking about operating systems, 8 7 8 7 9 7. Okay, again you can see the pattern. On an average 8 marks. Okay, on an average I will write 8%. If I talk about DBMS, okay, DBMS is quite fluctuating. 6 and 9, 5 5 7 8. Okay, so to be on the safe side, I will consider it 7%. Okay, no specific pattern here, but on an average you can consider 7% for sure. Okay, and it is considered one of the easy subject. Comparatively, it is considered one of the static or easy subject, because once you solve all the previous year questions, you can almost get 100% marks in DBMS if you study it from the right person. Okay, okay, awesome. Then talking about computer networks, now this is a bit tricky subject. Okay, this is a bit tricky subject. This is considered one of the most vast subject of GATE exam. Okay, we have the best faculties for every subject, no doubt. Okay, so this is considered as one of the most vast subject, but it also comes with the good weightage. Okay, 8 7 7 8 11 7. Okay, see here 11 as well. So on an average I can say 9. Okay, or 8 to 9%, let's say 8 on an average. Okay, so this is also ranging in 8% bucket. So now you can completely see that you should focus on easy subjects first and do complicated subjects in parallel. Whatever you find complicated, there is no universally easy and complicated subject. Okay, something which is easy for me might be complicated for you, and something which is complicated for me might be easy for you. Okay, so the definition can keep changing, but I am telling you generally that computer networks and computer architecture and organization, COA and CN, are usually, from my experience as a student and as a teacher, these are considered as as rank decider subjects. The ones who score rank in these two subjects, the ones who score marks in these two subjects also gets a good rank, because very few people are able to solve these questions. Okay, but it comes with good weightage. Can you see 12 marks? Can you imagine 12 marks in GATE 2025 set 2 and 8 marks in set 1? Okay, 8, 12, 9, 10. So on an average, you can say 10% for sure COA, which makes it a very heavy weightage subject. Okay, coming to discrete mathematics. Now, discrete mathematics is one maths and engineering mathematics is one maths. Okay, so you can combine these two maths and expect around 15 marks. Okay, so I will combine these two. Okay, you can combine these two. Okay, so 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 3 plus 9, 12, 5 plus 11, 16, okay, 6 plus 4, 10, 12 plus 7, 19, and 9 plus 6, 15. Okay, so as you can see, specifically in this year, it came for less marks. Okay, in 2023 it came for less marks. Otherwise, you can expect good amount of marks. It has also gone to 19 marks. Okay, it came for 12 marks in 2022. Okay, so on an average, you can expect total of 15 marks, 15%, I mean 15% of 15 marks from maths. Okay, guys, I am looking at your queries about GATE 2025 marks and all. Okay, I will address that towards the end. I will talk about that towards the end. Okay, don't worry, but please focus here for now. Okay, then coming to theory of computation and compiler design. So TOC and CD. Okay, this is theory of computation, compiler design. So these two are very much related subjects. Okay, these are very much related subjects, and the sequence, the right sequence to do is, first you have to do, then you have to do this. Can you type yes on the chat? Very important point. First to do TOC, then only jump to compiler design. Both are very related, and it's a smallest subject of the entire GATE exam, CS. Okay, this is the smallest subject in the entire GATE CS paper, compiler design, and that can be seen in the marks weightage as well. 8, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Okay, here it was exceptionally good. Otherwise, on an average, 5% you can expect. Okay, 5%. Okay, but TOC on the other hand is a heavy weightage subject. Here it came for 11 marks, 7, 9, 9, 7, 9. So on an average, I will say 9 marks. Okay, on an average, 9 marks. The point here I am trying to tell you is that if you combine these two, so it also goes to around 14 marks. So that makes this also as important. Okay, and moving to digital logic, which is again considered one of the most easiest subject in the entire GATE CS, and it came for 6, 6, 6, 6, 3, 4. So here it is less. Here it is less because some of the marks were distributed in maths. Okay, but on an average, again 6%. So digital logic is one of the easy subjects, personally, according to me. Okay, according to me, digital logic and your COA will have some things in common, like binary representation and all those things. No, you should not follow this sequence exactly as it is. Okay, I would suggest do this daily basis, aptitude and maths, and then just you have to make sure compiler design is done after TOC. Okay, COA can be done after digital logic. Okay, and operating system and DBMS somewhat related, and algorithms shall be done after data structures and programming. So these two are dependency. So please do algorithms after your programming and data structure is clear. Okay, so these are the two most important dependency, these two and these two. Remaining you can explore as per your comfort. Okay, so this was the most important discussion of today's session. Are we all on the same page? Please tell me. I've told you lots of insights here. Okay, fine. Okay, then your favorite aptitude 15 15 15. Here it was an exception 14, otherwise 15 15. So as I've told you, you can definitely expect 15% marks here. Okay, now this year according to me, topper can score 90 marks in computer science. All India rank 1 can be scoring 90 marks, around 90 and 90 above marks. So you tell me, if you aim for top rank, which subject can you skip? Which subject will you skip? If your aim is to be topper, 96.83, 96.33, right? So which subject will you skip? So next time, please make question series on ISI Kolkata as well. Okay. None. Very good. So you got it right. If you are aiming for good rank, none of the subjects you can compromise with. I receive so many queries daily basis. Sir, I can't do all the subjects, but I want to get into IIT Bombay. Which subject I can skip? Now you have got the answer. None of the subjects you can skip. You never know. You never know. This table is telling you lots of things. Please pay attention. Okay? Please pay attention to this table. It might look simple, but it is telling you lots of things. For example, let's say you decided, sir, I don't want to study discrete mathematics. Okay, sir, I don't want to study. But sir, I will pay very lot of attention on digital logic. Digital logic is my favorite subject. Okay, so I will pay lot of attention on it, lot of time on it, but I will not spend time on engineering mathematics. I don't understand it. Okay, okay. I said okay. Discrete mathematics, I said okay. Okay. What happened in GATE exam? The subject you spent good amount of time gave for 3 marks. But the same year, the subject you didn't spend at all came for 12 marks. 4 times more. So are you understanding what I'm trying to tell you? Did you understood what I'm trying to tell you? Please say yes or no. This table is speaking 1,000 words if you observe it carefully. Okay, you can see lots of things here. Okay, same thing here. Sir, I don't like COA. Sir, I don't like COA. I will skip this. Okay, but I like discrete mathematics, so I will study it a lot. Okay, in GATE 2025 set 2, sir, I don't like COA, but I like discrete mathematics a lot. Batao. 4 times you are gone. Okay, So please keep these points in mind. Okay, are we all on the same page? Let's proceed ahead. Okay, so please keep this in mind. Okay, now you don't have to skip any subject. At the same time, you don't have to put a lot of time in one subject. Okay, you have to study all the subjects carefully. You have to study all the subject very periodically. Okay, perfect. So here are some prerequisites, okay, for preparation. Understand your exam pattern and syllabus. This we have already done. Okay, congrats, you have already done this. Make your concept stronger in every subject. I have just told you this. Every subject is equally important. Okay. Okay. Sometimes the question will come on data structures and algorithms combined. Okay. From this table, I am telling you the entire strategy, my dear friends. Try to understand. Okay. Data structures and algorithm combined, a question can come. And suppose you don't know data structures, but you know algorithms. Or suppose you don't know algorithms, but you know data structure. Will you be able to solve that question? Not at all. You will not be able to solve it. Okay. So you have to pay attention that questions can come in combined form as well. A question can combine from data structures and algorithms combined. Okay. So sometimes you need to be very careful. Okay. So choosing the right study material is crucial, and this is where we help you. Okay. You can refer to us. We have the best faculty available in the GATE domain. Okay. You can definitely check out our courses. Okay, the entire team is always there to help you out. Okay, perfect. At the end of the day, go over every topic again, that is revise thoroughly. So revision is the most important. Revision is the most important part. Okay, when I was a student, personally I had an aim to revise 3 times at least. Okay, whenever someone asks me, this is what I say: 3 times at least. Revise 3 times at least. Previous year questions 3 times at least. Okay, revise 3 times at least. Previous year questions end-to-end book 3 times at least. Okay, so this is what I would recommend you. Enroll in a reliable test series that will assess your performance on a daily basis. So if I talk about test series, okay, if I talk about test series, we have a very great test series which you can check later. But for test series, okay, there are different types of tests. First, there is topic wise test. Second, there is subject wise test. And third, there is full length test. Okay. Now, when we say on daily basis, what we mean is you can give this on daily basis. Whatever topic you are studying, you can go and appear for topic wise test there. And once you have completed a particular subject, then you can give subject wise test for that subject. Okay, and once you are done with the entire syllabus, when you are done with entire syllabus plus at least one revision, then you can start with full length test series. So full length test series should come into your mind, okay, around October onwards. You should target October onwards, but depending on wherever you are, you can decide, but not later than December. At least December should be the starting point. Even December is quite late, but still fine. Okay, so minimum December and Jan, but ideally October onwards you should start giving test series. Okay, so is this clear? All the test series confusion? Please say yes or no. And this is the sequence. topic wise, then subject wise, then full length test series. Is this completely clear? Okay. Okay, perfect. Now here I will tell you one strategy that I used to which I used to apply, which I have created for myself, but I will share it with you guys because I want you guys to do great in life. So I call it AJ Sir's sandwich strategy. What is this sandwich strategy? Let's say in a day you decided to you decided to study 3 subjects. Okay, so I used to do it in three slots: morning slot, afternoon slot, and evening or night slot. So morning I used to start with easy subject. Okay, evening I used to end with easy subject, and in afternoon I used to study tough subject. This used to be my pattern personally, and I have found this very helpful for GATE exam. I'll tell you why. So I was a morning person. I used to wake up at around 4 a.m. Okay, so this used to be around from 4 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Okay, then I used to go to college. Even in college I used to study aptitude and maths. I used to sit at the last bench and I used to study GATE exam only. Okay, because 75% attendance was mandatory for me. So at the last bench I used to study and solve aptitude and maths questions, because aptitude was also helpful for me for my placements. I also cracked Amazon interview. I was the only student from the entire batch to work at Amazon from my BTech college. Okay, so yeah, so then my afternoon study used to be from 3 p.m. to around 6:30 p.m. Okay, again this is general. And then I used to again start from 7:30 p.m. to almost 12 p.m. यानी 12 a.m. बोलना चाहिए, 12 a.m. Okay, I used to study a lot because I only prepared for around 6 to 7, 7 to 8 months on an average. Okay, tentatively. Okay, so sometimes more, sometimes less, but this used to be my usual pattern. Okay, so why I used to start with easy subject? Because in the morning I used to be very sleepy, and if I start with tough subject, I used to again go back to sleep. I noticed this about myself. So that's why I used to start with easy subject, so that I can build momentum. Okay, then I used to pick a hard subject. Why? Because I have already completed something, so I used to have some confidence. Okay, I used to have confidence. Okay, something I have already studied for 3.5 hours today, so I used to have good confidence that I will be able to manage. Okay, so that's why I used to have patience to study hard subject. And then when I was very frustrated, literally frustrated, okay, I was completely frustrated after studying hard subject, so I used to pick easy subject again, so that I don't waste my time, because once you're frustrated you can't study more. Okay, you can't study that subject more. So I used to take an easy subject so that I don't waste my time, and at the same time I can cover some other subject. Okay, so you can follow this. I used to call this sandwich strategy. Why sandwich strategy? Because between 2 easy subjects I used to pick a hard subject, and that is how I covered every subject. I didn't leave even a single subject for the GATE exam. Okay, just to tell you, because many people keep crying, I will tell you that COA and CN I have studied 5 times. Can you imagine that? You guys give up in just one. You guys give up on only one attempt, but I have studied them 5 times, both subjects, because I never used to get them easily. Personally, my friends used to get it in one attempt also, but personally I struggled with these 2 subjects, so I studied them 5 times. I was not crying. that these subjects are difficult, I will leave them. No, if I leave them, not possible. IIT Bombay, not possible. Dream ends. IIT Bombay, not possible. If I leave even one subject, IIT Bombay gone. As simple as that. No point crying, no point about sympathy. No one cares. This is what I used to tell myself. If you want IIT Bombay kind of a college, if you want under 100 rank, you have to study every subject. So I want toppers to watch this video, and I want you to become topper. And once you are topper in GATE 2026, I want you to comment on this video. How many will do that? How many of you will do that? Okay, I hope you will do that. Okay, Chali. So let's proceed ahead. Okay, now cover all the important topics. So you can again take screenshot here. I will go side. Okay, I hope you have taken screenshot. Perfect. So in algorithms, I know this subject a lot. Okay, lot of interesting topics here. So algorithm analysis, merge sort, quick sort, DFS, BFS, MST, greedy techniques. Okay, and divide and conquer and all. Okay, but MCST, minimum cost spanning tree, is one of the most important topic here. Okay, someone is saying, I hope I had your brain, sir. See, I am not a special brain. If I would have been a special brain, I wouldn't have required 5 times revision for these. I'm not a special brain. But hard work can replace talent. So that you have to keep in mind. Okay. Lots of people who studied this one time were sharper than me, were smarter than me, but they didn't had discipline. They didn't had patience to go till the end. Okay, many of them gave up GATE studies in around October, November. Okay, so you need to have patience and determination. Second is programming and data structures. So you have array, stack, queues, linked list, pointers, tree traversals, okay, in order and all, recursive functions, AVL tree, and BST, binary search tree. Then we have operating systems. Okay, so process state diagram, very frequently asked. Paging technique, file systems, CPU scheduling, and disk scheduling. Okay, and this is one of the most interesting subject, and all the subjects faculty are the best here. Okay, then we have digital logic, so Boolean algebra, mux, decoder, sequential circuits, K-map, etc. Computer organization, floating point representation, addressing modes, pipeline, very frequently asked, caching, very frequently asked, cache, memory organization. Computer networks, you have IP addressing, flow control policies, fragmentation, routing. Okay, question came on routing this year. Application layer protocols. Okay, in fact, for MST, in algorithms, I have, you can go and check the video. Okay, you can go and check the video. I have told it just 2-3 days before the exam, in the crash course, in the revision series, that MST will definitely give you a question, and it came in all the exams of computer science and DA. So it's very important topic. Okay, in one of the paper it came, in one of the paper 2 questions came from minimum cost spanning tree, and I told you that it's very important. Even in 2026, I'm telling you it is very important. Then theory of computation, regular languages, context-free languages, undecidability, etc. Compiler design, lexical analysis, syntax analysis. Okay, basics. Databases, we have ER diagrams, normalization, B plus tree. Again, normalization, one of the most important topic. In fact, here you have SQL as well. Definitely you can expect one question from here. And then we have discrete maths, predicate, logic, sets, relations, etc. Okay, I would say entire discrete mathematics is important. Okay, moving ahead. Okay, some general tips. okay, about resources. So online course that self-paced or if feasible offline coaching, but I will still suggest you take online course because it is self-paced. Okay, you can attend live lectures and then you can watch the recording multiple times. So for working professionals, I would strongly recommend to take online course. For college students, again, I would prefer you to take online course personally. Okay, I take on I will consider online courses, and you can refer to books. But if you are studying from us, or if you are studying from some very good source, okay, then I don't think there is any need to study from book. Okay, because we are already teaching you from books as well, right? In our content, we also have the book important concepts so that you don't have to do the hard work yourself. Okay, so obviously we are working on saving your time as well, so you can decide accordingly. Okay, we have lots of content, beautiful content, and we also make sure that book important concepts of books are also in that, so that you don't have to do the hard work yourself. Okay, perfect. Moving ahead, talking about the important resources, books. Many of you keep asking, sir, tell me the books. Okay, again, you can take screenshot for this. I will go side. Sir, please make a strategy on. So please make a strategy on DA 26 as well. Yeah, sure. We will get you a DA series. Okay, don't worry. Sir, 4 hours sleep sufficient? On daily basis, 4 hours sleep is not sufficient. Okay, but obviously few days it is sufficient. So sometimes 6, sometimes 4, in between also. Okay, but yeah, I don't think if you are having less time, so 6 hours should be sufficient. Okay, okay, is this cool? Okay, so algorithms, you have Kovman, considered the Bible of algorithm. Theory of computation. Okay, so in introduction to formal languages, okay, by Peter Lenz. Then for computer architecture and organization, you have Stelling's, again very famous book. For operating systems, you have Galvin, again very famous book. Okay, red colored book is also there. Computer networks, okay, you have 2 books. Okay, but many people study for ozone. Database management, you have Henry Korth. Okay, for discrete mathematics, you have Kenneth Rosen. And for digital logic and number representation, Maurice Mano. But Maurice Mano has very advanced concepts as well, so study that accordingly. Okay, so again, nothing to tell much here. Okay, you already have the names. Okay, you can refer to this later on as well. Okay, so this was all about it, guys. Thank you so much. I tried my best to give you as many tips as possible. Okay, because I understand that you guys, I have gone through your journey. Okay, even I have given GATE exam when I was in BTech, so I understand that you are managing projects and assignments and college studies and placement and GATE, everything together. Yeah, I understand. But see, honestly telling, if you are aiming for better things, you will have to do hard work. I have got all India rank 16 GATE exam. I have also maintained a 9.09 CGPA in my BTech, and I have also cracked the highest placement for my college, which was Amazon. Okay, so I did a lot of hard work, but I did good in all the 3 domains, right? So many people will tell you that you can't do GATE along with college studies. That's not true. Okay, they can't do it, but you can. The ones who are telling you might not be able to do it, but you can do it. I am a live example in front of you, and I am not the only one. Okay, I had friends at IIT Bombay who had the same situation. Okay, and they also did it. Okay, so I hope, my dear friends, this session helped you. If you have any specific queries, I can answer that for 5-10 minutes and then we can wrap it up. Okay, the session went a bit long, but I hope it added value to you. I didn't notice the time. Okay, so okay, please share your queries, whatever you were asking when I was taking the session. 48, 52 marks per shift 1. Tarang, I think 52 you can expect NIT. Okay, but again, I'll have better clarity with time. IITs, old IITs are difficult, unfortunately. Okay, 70.67 shift 1. Okay, that's a good 70.67 marks is good. According to me, you can expect old IITs. Okay, according to me. Okay, perfect. 63.53. Okay, guys, if you have any queries pertaining to GATE 2026 preparation, then you can let me know, because this marks and rank things I have already discussed on multiple channels, right? OBC, yeah, 63 marks OBC. I think you can expect old IITs, but not sure. Okay, I was from general category, so I didn't focus much on other scores. I got very poor marks this year. Any suggestion for a dropper? Ayan, first of all, don't call yourself dropper. It's fine. Okay, dropper is a very negative word. Okay, so you can follow the strategy that I have discussed today. I'm sure that after following this strategy, you will see great improvement. Okay, sir, getting 36 in shift 2, normalized 40. Third year, is it good? Depends. Third year, is it good? I can't say. Many people are scoring all India rank 100 as well in third year. So it is not a matter of third year or fourth year. It's a matter of how much you prepared. Okay, it's a matter of how much you prepared. Third year or fourth year doesn't make any difference in GATE exam. Okay, as simple as that. It doesn't make any difference. Sir, how to maintain consistency for longer period of time? You know the answer. Just keep doing things. Just keep focusing. Just keep doing the hard work. That's it. Hard work is boring. But if you want all these things, you have to go to that path. There's no other answer. As simple as that. Hard work is boring, but great things require hard work. So that's the only answer. NIT Trichy is good. Yeah, it is good. Okay. Okay, any other query before we wrap it up? Okay. Sir, how to handle distractions? I faced issues last year with consistency due to a lot of distractions. Ayan, distractions everyone has. Okay. Did you see was I having mobile when I was taking this session? Did you ever notice that? Tell me. Did you notice that I was having mobile in my hand when I was taking this session? No, right? Obviously. So even I had social media, even I had distractions. But when I focused on one thing, that's it. Khadam. As simple as that. So this was priority for me more than social media, right? I wanted to share this important knowledge with you so that you can get ahead in your career. So that was my priority. So I prioritized that. So distractions are for everyone, but it depends what are your priorities. If you prioritize something, distraction will not affect you. Simple. There's no rocket science. Many people will tell you lots of studies, tricks, all these things, but It's a simple priority based decision. Okay, if GATE is important enough for you, distractions will not hamper you. Just to motivate you, I'll tell you, when I was appearing for GATE exam, for 6 months, I had uninstalled all the social media apps. No Instagram, no Facebook, no LinkedIn, no WhatsApp, nothing. Okay, because I knew that I'm aiming for something very big. I'm aiming for all India rank 100, under 100. So I knew that I'm not that smart person who can just study for 5-6 hours and can crack the GATE exam. So I had uninstalled all the apps. Simple. And at that time, internet was also not that cheap, right? So I used to be very much focused on my GATE exam and placements. That's it. So it's completely up to you. Means I won't give you any sympathy here. Okay, I have been a student. Okay, no sympathy for distractions. If you have clarity, if you know it impacts, if you know it matters to you, you know that you should focus. Khatam. So GATE DA 60.33, which college can I target? 60.33, according to me, I hope you get old IITs, but can't say, because again, I know people who are getting 85 plus as well in GATE DA. Okay, so unfortunately, I can't suggest, but I hope you get your dream college. I wish you all the best. Okay. Perfect. Okay, guys. Then, okay, one last question. NIT Trichy is good college as compared to IITs. Obviously, I would say IITs are top in ranking, so IITs are preferred better than NITs. Okay, obviously, but again, college might not matter that much. Your dreams matter a lot. Perfect. Cool, guys. So thank you so much. I tried my best to give you as much knowledge as possible. I shared my strategies as well, which helped me get a great GATE rank. Okay. Chaliye. All the best. Goodbye. My name is Aditya Jain, and I wish you all the very best. Try to apply whatever I have shared with you. Okay. Take care. Goodbye. Good night. All the best. And once you get a great rank in GATE 2026, do visit this video and share your rank with us. Okay, we'll be more than happy to create an impact. I'm sure that you will get great rank. Goodbye.